Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Mayhem and Family Fun. Tonight we're going to be making s'mores. Now this is something that I bought a long time ago. It is the microwavable s'mores maker. Excuse the mess, I've already made some already and enjoyed them already. But my son is wanting some s'mores too, so
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to make some more. Get it? S'more.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is really easy to use. All you do is fill up the water to this little fill line. So we're going to do that really quick. I guess it doesn't really matter if it's hot or cold water.
That was a good joke.
Haha, we're going to make s'mores. S'mores. Okay, and of course, everybody knows how to make s'mores. Graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. So the little feet here on this actually hold everything together. So you lift these up, you put your graham cracker, can you get the chocolate out?
We got the nice Hershey chocolate too.
And get 2 marshmallows out.
Got these nice, oh, look at these.
Need the other piece of chocolate out.
Oh.
My husband got square marshmallows, so it's easier to make the
Melt
s'mores.
down.
And there's your other graham cracker.
There you go.
You put the foot down, and that's what holds everything together. Look how delicious that looks. So, the other graham cracker, the chocolate, the marshmallow, and the next graham cracker. Okay, so there's your other foot. Nick, pop that in the microwave for me.
Just bring it in. Oh yeah, look at all this.
And all you have to do is really easy. Just pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And it'll make nice, gooey s'mores.
Yeah. We even got a good kind.
Yes, good Hershey chocolate. Can't beat Hershey chocolate.
Oh,
But s'mores are always a great thing to make, and they're really easy, but obviously it's really cold outside to be making a fire. So
these are like really compact too. They're like
yeah, they're the square ones.
Oh, we're done. Oh.
So let's get it out. There's one hiding.
I'm trying not to ruin it.
It's okay. So when you get this out, look how gooey it looks.
Guys, it looks good, you guys. Oh yeah.
Okay. So then when you take them out, you smush everything together. Everything's melted. Look at that. It looks delicious.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah, I got some on my finger already.
Best part about s'mores is messy fingers.
Exactly. You gotta have messy fingers when you're eating s'mores. Especially around a campsite, it's the best. But we don't have a campfire. So this is the next.
We have a ring, but that's kind of broken. The cement or this blocks.
Yeah, we had to get another one. We had to make one in another part of our yard, but right now this is the best next thing. So here's our s'mores. Turned out looking awesome.
Look at that.
And there's it is.
If you could just grab it through the phone, you would eat the whole s'more because it's so good.
All right. So, well, thanks for watching. We're going to enjoy our s'mores. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you aren't a subscriber already. Have a good night, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.